All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 12, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acids. This lesson, oxidation and reduction of aldehyde and ketones, Popov rule, Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. Oxidation of aldehyde and ketone. First one, oxidation of aldehyde. Aldehyde easily undergo oxidation to carboxylic acid containing the same number of carbon atom as the parent aldehyde. Example, one of the aldehyde, acetaldehyde CH3 CHO. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergo oxidation to form a acetic acid CH3 COOH. Number of carbon atom in acetic acid equal to 2, so number of carbon atom in acetaldehyde equal to 2, so number of carbon atom in carboxylic acid and parent aldehyde is same. Aldehyde are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid. Acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 bar H plus. Acidified potassium dichromate or acidified potassium permanganate or chromic oxide CrO3 act as a oxidizing agent. First one example, acetaldehyde undergo oxidation to form acetic acid. Next one example, C6H5CHO. This is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde undergo oxidation with oxidizing agent to form a benzoic acid C6H5COOH. This is a benzoic acid. C6H5CHO is a benzaldehyde. Next one example, unsaturated aldehyde. One of the example for unsaturated aldehyde is a C6H5CH double bond CH CHO. This is cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde oxidized into cinnamic acid C6H5CH double bond CH COH. This is a alpha beta unsaturated acid. Name of this acid is a cinnamic acid. Oxidation of aldehyde. Aldehyde easily oxidized into carboxylic acid. In the carboxylic acid, number of carbon atom in carboxylic acid is equal to number of carbon atom present in the original parent aldehyde. Next one is a oxidation of ketone. Ketone does not easily undergo oxidation under drastic condition with powerful oxidizing agent like CnHNO3, concentrated nitric acid, or KMnO4, acidified potassium permanganate, or acidified potassium dichromate act as a oxidizing agent for oxidation of ketone. Carboxylic acid having less number of carbon atom than the parent ketone. Example, CH3CO CH3. This is acetone. Acetone undergo oxidation with powerful oxidizing agent like CnHNO3 to form a formic acid HCOOH and CH3COOH. Number of carbon atom in acetone equal to 3, but number of carbon atom in carboxylic acid equal to lesser than parent ketone. Ketone does not undergo easily oxidation under the drastic condition or powerful oxidizing agent CnHNO3 or acidified potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. In the presence oxidation takes place and the resulting carboxylic acid is lesser number of carbon atom than the parent ketone. Next one is a Popov rule. During the oxidation of unsymmetrical ketone, bond is cleaved in such a way that the keto group stay with the smaller alkyl group. This is called as a Popov rule. This is very important question. Popov rule. During the oxidation of unsymmetrical ketone, bond is cleaved in such a way that the keto group stay with the smaller alkyl group. Example, CH3 CH2 CH2 CO CH3. Name of this compound is a pentane. 5 carbon is present, so pentane. Second carbon is functional group, so 2,1. Pentane 2,1 undergo oxidation with concentrated nitric acid to form a propanoic acid and ethanoic acid. CH3 CH2 COOH. This is propanoic acid and ethanoic acid. That means carbonyl carbon attached with smaller alkyl group. So propanoic acid and acetic acid is formed. This is called as a Popov rule. Oxidation of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde easily undergo oxidation to form a carboxylic acid. Number of carbon atom present in the carboxylic acid is equal to the number of carbon atom present in the parent aldehyde. Example, acetaldehyde undergo oxidation to form a acetic acid. Benzaldehyde undergo oxidation to form a benzoic acid. Cinnamaldehyde undergo oxidation to form a cinnamic acid. Next one is a oxidation of ketone. Ketone does not easily undergo oxidation under the drastic condition or powerful oxidizing agent like ConHNO3 or acidified potassium permanganate. In the presence of acidified potassium dicarbonate, ketone undergo oxidation. Number of carbon atom present in the carboxylic acid is lesser than the parent ketone. Next one is a Popov rule. During the oxidation of unsymmetrical ketone, the bond is cleaved in such a way that the keto group stay with the smaller group. This is called as a Popov rule. Next one is a reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde reduced into primary alcohol and CHO. Aldehyde reduced into primary alcohol. Ketone or CO are reduced into secondary alcohol. Aldehyde and ketone easily reduced to alcohol. Primary acetal aldehyde gives primary alcohol, ketone gives secondary alcohol. Example, LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride act as a reducing agent. Example, acetaldehyde CH3 CHO. This is aldehyde reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to form a ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2OH. Name of this compound is a ethyl alcohol. Next one example, benzaldehyde C6H5CHO reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to form a benzyl alcohol, C6H5CH2OH. Name of this compound is a benzyl alcohol. Another one example, C6H5CH double bond CHO. This is cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to form a C6H5CH2 double bond CH2OH. Lithium aluminum hydride does not affect the carbon-carbon double bond. It reduces the only functional group to alcohol. Next one, ketone CH3COCH3. Name of this compound is a acetone. Acetone reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to form a secondary alcohol, CH3CHOH CH3. Name of this compound is a isopropyl alcohol. Next one is a reduction to phenolals. Ketone reduction with magnesium amalgam and water are reduced to symmetrical diols known as a phenolals. Two molecules of acetone CH3COCH3. Two molecules of acetone reduced with magnesium amalgam in the presence of water reduced into phenolals. Common name of this compound is a 1,2 diols. Ketone reduced with magnesium amalgam in the presence of water. Ketone is reduced into phenolals. Next one is a reduction to hydrocarbon. Aldehyde and ketone reduced to hydrocarbon. We using suitable reagent, carbonyl carbon is converted into methylene group. First one example, Clemmensen reduction. This is very important naming reaction. Carbonyl compound C double bond O is treated with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Carbonyl group is reduced into methylene group. This is called as a Clemmensen reduction. Example, CH3 CHO. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is react with zinc mercury in the presence of corn hydrochloric acid. Hydrocarbon is formed CH3 CH3. Name of this compound is a ethane. Next one example, C6H5CHO. This is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde reduced with zinc mercury bar corn HCl to form a C6H5CH3. This is example for Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction, aldehyde or ketone react with zinc amalgam, zinc mercury and concentrated hydrochloric acid to carbonyl compound is converted into hydrocarbon. This reaction is called as a Clemmensen reduction. One of the example for ketone is a acetone CH3 COCH3. Name of this compound is a acetone. Acetone undergo Clemmensen reduction. Zinc mercury bar corn HCl to form a CH3. CO group is converted into CH2. So CH2 CH3. 3 carbon is present. So name of this compound is a propane. Next one is a Wolff-Kishner reduction. This is also very important naming reaction. Carbonyl group is converted into methylene group by using hydrazine N2H4 bar C2H5ONA. This reaction is called as a Wolff-Kishner reduction. Here hydrazine act as a, this reaction hydrazine act as a reducing agent. Sodium ethoxide act as a catalyst. Example, CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergo Wolff-Kishner reduction. Hydrazine N2H4 bar C2H5ONA sodium ethoxide to form a CH3CH3. Name of this compound is a ethane. Next one example, benzaldehyde C6H5CHO undergo Wolff-Kishner reduction to form a C6H5CH3. This is toluene. Benzaldehyde react with hydrazine and sodium ethoxide to form a toluene. Last one example, CH3COCH3. This is acetone. Acetone undergo Wolff-Kishner reduction to form a CH3CH2CH3. Name of this compound is a propane. ஹைட்ரோகார்பனாக ஒடுக்குதல். ஆல்டிகைடு மற்றும் கீட்டோன்களை ஹைட்ரோகார்பன்களாக ஒடுக்குதல். தகுந்த ஒடுக்கும் காரணியை பயன்படுத்தும் போது கார்பனைல் கார்பனானது மெத்திலீன் கார்பனாக மாற்றமடைகிறது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் Clemmensen reduction. இந்த Clemmensen ஒடுக்க வினையில் கார்பனைல் தொகுதியானது மெத்திலீன் தொகுதியாக மாற்றப்படுகிறது. ஜிங்க் மற்றும் மெர்க்குரி மற்றும் அடர் ஹைட்ரோகுளோரிக் அமிலம் கலந்த கலவையானது இந்த வினையில் வினைக்காரணியாக பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. அசிட்டால்டிஹைடு Clemmensen ஒடுக்க வினையில் ஈத்தேனை தருகிறது. பென்சால்டிஹைடு, திஸ் இஸ் பென்சால்டிஹைடு. பென்சால்டிஹைடு undergo Clemmensen reduction to form a toluene. another one example, அசிட்டோன். இதோட பெயர் என்பது அசிட்டோன். Clemmensen ஒடுக்க வினையில் புரோப்பேனை தருகிறது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் Wolff-Kishner ஒடுக்கம். கார்பனில் தொகுதி CO தொகுதியானது CH2 மெத்திலின் தொகுதியாக மாற்றப்படுகிறது. ஹைட்ரசின் மற்றும் சோடியம் ஈத்தாக்சைடு முன்னிலையில் ஹைட்ரசின் ஆக்ட் as a reducing agent. C2H5ONA sodium ethoxide act as a catalyst. எக்ஸாம்பிள், அசிட்டால்டிஹைடு Wolff-Kishner வினையில் ஈத்தேனை தருகிறது. இதன் பெயர் என்பது பென்சால்டிஹைடு. பென்சால்டிஹைடு Wolff-Kishner வினையில் toluene தருகிறது. அசிட்டோன் Wolff-Kishner வினையில் புரோப்பேனை தருகிறது. Share this video and subscribe this channel.